X is pressed.
Toys for you.
Victoria Ayala Merengildo and Gu2 want to see what is inside Minnie Mouse drummer. And also, Dharmender Kumar, I hope I'm saying it right, it is pretty hard for a teddy bear, want to see how the wheels turn. So make sure you watch this whole clip because there's a lot of cool stuff.
Hey guys, the long-awaited moment is here and we have now Minnie Mouse drummer. A lot of requests for this one. Let's check her out and see what she does. Okay, enough. Now let's get to work and see how, oh sorry, not this pocket, this pocket. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you Minnie Mouse. As you can see, the toy above is purely mechanical. Take a look. This is the movement and this is, and this is how it's done. So this is our toy. Actually the toy comes like this. You see? The toy will be like this. You get the idea. It's a little hard to hold her. Here is the engine that is in all our toys. And here, this gear is spinning the wheels. And also this clever gear that makes Minnie make a mechanical move and beat the drums. Here we have the speakers. And here we have the wheel beneath. And I will show it to you. Now I will explain you this wheel. And this is the mechanism for the wheel beneath. These are the wheels with this little gear. Take a look. When this square spins, okay, so that was the wheel beneath. Let's open this one. And now let's check out the drummer. Wow! This is amazing! All mechanical movement. So one single X, and when you you see? And we have a puppet. Nice, huh? Oopsie. We try to see if it works. It works. And now we put back the screws. Come here. Come here. You must see the precise place where this blue button is in order to make this move. Okay, so for this movement to happen, as I showed you, it's precisely here. Look. Okay. Easy now. Gently. And we have a working toy. Thank you for watching, guys. Please comment. I don't know if I will have comments for this clip, and let us know what you want to see in the next one. And see ya.
Bonus clip.
Hey, listen!
You must know that she comes like this.
Let's have an understanding. Now what? Brother, what a way to run a railroad. Now, as I was saying... All right, let's get this picture started.